was waiting for you here. Soon your life would change beneath the clouds of war. Your country was invaded, you were taken by force. Screams of hate and fear became your everyday. I've seen your desperation as the memories return. You came across the ocean with dreams of happiness, but endless disappointment was waiting for you here. Try to look ahead. The land of opportunity was calling your name. Did it give you peace? Did you ever feel at home? Far from your own people, you were going on alone. You came across the ocean with dreams of happiness, but endless disappointment was waiting for you. And your close companion was the pain that wouldn't leave. When your leg was gone, you felt that you could not go on. Every day and every night, you know he suffers with you and calls you his own. You won't reject his name, no, he is your only hope. You will meet him soon when he carries you home. So look across to heaven and dream of happiness.